those days. We're headed to the chiropractor for a much needed adjustment.
Yeah, a couple days ago, my back was so messed up.
You should have seen it. Spine was like this, her spine.
Yeah.
It like freaked me out.
He was massaging my back for me, and like he kept like pressing like right on all the pressure points.
Because I could see them.
Yeah, and I'm like, how do you know like where all the spots are where it's bothering me? And he could literally see it. So it was really bad. This is like starting to like kick in my ribs and stuff now, and I think everything's just kind of like adjusting and opening up. But I'm so excited for going to the chiropractor today. It feels a lot better after he massaged it, but my neck is still kind of messed up. Hey babe.
Yeah.
We really need to wash the car.
Prove it. Okay, the car is actually pretty clean. But the windshield is super dirty because of all the bugs. This freeway is like a bug magnet.
Babe, the car is really dirty.
Okay, bye!
We just got done at the chiropractor. I think we both feel a lot better.
Man, you did the same with Lisa. It just sounded like a machine gun going on.
Like my back just
up her spine.
Yeah.
Me, like, got my trap in my bag.
So now we're going to have some lunch, and it's at this place that we discovered probably a couple months ago, and we love this place. Soup Plantation.
Soup Plantation. It's almost like, you're not gonna like this. It's like a bigger Fresh Choice. I love Fresh Choice. She doesn't like Fresh Choice because she's like too good for it or something. Soup Plantation, like $9 something a person. You get this huge salad bar. They have like different chilies and soups, and
for those of you that aren't gluten-free, they have pastas and stuff.
Pastas. And
yeah.
they put gluten-free on all their stuff that is gluten-free.
So it's really easy to know.
They have baked potatoes, baked sweet potatoes. They have a gluten-free roll. They have different rolls and pastas, and it's a really sweet place.
Yeah.
In a city full of sounds, I know my way around.
So this is why I absolutely love this place. Look at this salad. Name one place where you'll get a salad that big with anything you want on it for $9.
And unlimited, so you can go back and get as many as you want.
And unlimited. Alright. First of all, this salad would cost $20 somewhere, and that's all you would get. But we can get however many we want. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food.
We are of the same kind. Endangered species hard to find.
Now we're walking up to this place called Bean Coffee Roasters in Temecula. We're gonna go in and check it out and see what it looks like in there, see if we can get some work done in there or not.
I'll give you some long time. I need to go catch a high tide, 'cause I don't feel free.
So Brylan and I got black iced teas. This is their Assam tea. He got a plain one, and then I got one with some coconut milk in it. This place looks so cool. I do want to get some footage of the inside because the decor is awesome. And we were gonna sit inside, but all the tables are kind of full, so we're actually sitting outside, and it's really nice out here. There's this cool little patio, and then we're in the shade right here, so it feels really good.
So I'm letting you know where I want to be.
So this place we're at called Bean, we showed you guys. This place is really cool. We really dig it. The inside's really awesome. The outside's really awesome. We're sitting outside because it's a beautiful day today. But it's pretty cool because they gave me like a sample to taste their organic Sumatra coffee, but they filled up their cup like halfway, so I got a half cup of coffee for free, which is sweet.
And their cups are really cool. So we just got in the car from Bean Coffee Roasters. We really like that place.
Yeah, I dig that place so much.
Yeah.
Next time we're gonna get there a little earlier and find a spot inside. The only reason we're leaving right now is because it got super hot outside and the sun like
moved, so we weren't in the shade, and I was starting to feel like nauseous. You know, being pregnant, out in the heat.
There were so
I was like,
there were so many
okay,
people,
we need to go.
There were so many people in there that we couldn't just like move to a different spot.
Are we gonna go check out the nursery real quick before we go home?
Fine.
I want houseplants, you guys. Our friends Joseph and Sabrina from church, they, Sabrina loves succulents, and she has a ton of them, and she's really good at taking care of her plants. And I've been wanting to get better about it. But her and my other friend Lauren, they cut us some succulents. So we have like little baby starter succulents, and I'll show you them when we're at home. So I'm working on those, but I also want to get some like kind of bigger house plants. Like I want to at least start with one.
Succulents that they made for us were so cool.
Yeah,
because they're in little tiny pots.
Uh-huh.
And they're like the cutest little things ever. Not only did they make one for Lisa, not only did they make one for me, they made one for So
really
shout out
sweet.
to Joseph and Sabrina and Lauren.
Yes.
For being some of like the coolest people.
Driving by the shore.
So here we are. This place is super cool. Check this out. It reminds us of this place called Green Acres, and that's up in Northern California, just smaller. But this place has a ton of cool plants. Check this one out. We might get this one.
This is one of the ones I was wanting to get. It's called a rubber plant.
Hey, let us know in the comments if you guys have any plant suggestions for us, or just really easy to take care of plants that we can have inside of our house. And then we can be plant twinsies.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
So we got
our first house plant.
Yeah. I feel like it's like we have a pet. Sorry guys, we did not vlog in one of my favorite stores. I don't know why.
We got into the store and realized we forgot the camera and just didn't feel like going back.
Yeah.
We're lazy.
We went into Home Goods and we got a basket, a really cute one. That one right there. So now we are heading home. Brylan has been holding a certain talent back. He's really, really good at it, but he never does it for anyone. But I convinced him to do it on camera for you guys.
Like, what's a song that could like
Let
show it off?
Let It Go by James Bay, since we just heard that in the store.
Oh, okay. Why don't you be you and I'll be me?
Okay, so we just got home a few minutes ago. I'm gonna go ahead and plant our plant.
Listen to a broken radio. Skyline neon lights are waking up the rangers of the night. Designated life. Feel the cold wind on my face.
Our new house plant. I love it. It looks so cute.
It's all around but leaves no trace. This is where I wanna be.
Oh, it's getting late. We're just gonna relax. We might play a card game.
So the last few days we've been playing, we played Monopoly Dill, which is fun.
That's probably one of my favorites.
We played Uno, which isn't fun.
Uno's fun with a lot of people. It's not fun with just 2 people.
Yeah, when it was just us, it was
Yeah.
lame.
Yeah, it was.
We played Phase 10, which was pretty fun.
Yeah, I liked
That
that.
one was fun. Skip-Bo.
Oh, I like Skip-Bo.
Yeah, Skip-Bo is pretty fun.
Skip-Bo and Monopoly Deal, I think, were my 2 favorites for just us playing together.
And don't forget to go check out my Instagram at Brylan Riggs. You'll see it in the corner.
And my Instagram, I just changed my username so it's easier. It's at Lisa M. Riggs.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.